Do you people know how to use preposition in and on with different types of vehicle? If yes, let me take a test of you. If I am traveling in a taxi, what would you choose? In a taxi or on a taxi? I am traveling in a bus. Is it in a bus or on a bus? I am in a train or on a train. I am flying on a plane or in a plane. I am in a car or on a car. Please let me know if you answered all of these things correctly. And before telling you the answers, I need to make you understand that if you can walk and stand in a vehicle, then you will have to use on a vehicle. And if you need to bend to get into a vehicle, then you will have to use in a vehicle. Like I am in a taxi, not on a taxi. I am on a bus, not in a bus. I am on a train, not in a train. I am flying on a plane, not in a plane. I am in the car, not on the car. So if you like this information, if you like this content, please make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. And if you like this type of content, please make sure do not forget to like and share my content. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.